Okay, dear students, in this video I will show you how to make this object here on the right. Okay, let's first start to make the circles here. So click the circle command. As usual, I encourage you to read the command line window. Okay. Please press circle command and the ribbon, or you can say circle tool. Read specify center point. Specify center point. So don't worry, just locate or put the center point around here. Don't worry about the location. You can move it later on using the move command here. And again, read specify radius of circle. So I will start from the inside, or from the smaller circle, which is this one. Which is that one. It has radius of 10. Okay, the diameter is 20, the radius is 10. So just type 10 like that, and then again click circle tool, and make sure that the green light on the center appears before you click. This green light, as I've mentioned last week, it is the object snap. It will catch, or it will locate exactly the point that you need, in this case the center. So the object snap is here, this symbol. You turn it off, you turn it on, and if you see the checked items are those which are turned on, like this one. Center is turned on. Okay. Okay, make sure the green light appears. Click, and then let's see what's the radius. For the bigger circle, it is 20. This one, 20. There. Now you have made the first circle. Now we would like to make the circle here at this location. The center is that. This is the center. There are many ways to obtain this center. In this video, I'll just show you by using a helping line that we will delete later on. We will see how we will do other method next time, or in other video. So I will just use a helping line. Click line there, and then click the center. Make sure the center object snap appears, which is this circular or green circle there. This is the first point of the line, and the second point of the line will be located there. Should be located at this point. So if you see, the distance from here to there is, from this center to that center horizontally is 80, and from the center to that center vertically is 10. 10, it's because the radius of this one is 30, the radius of this one is 20, so 30 minus 20, it is 10 here. Okay, so as I mentioned before, if you want to refer the next point coordinates, if you want to make the next point coordinates based on the first point, you need to put a. So this is like a relative point, relative coordinate, relative to the first point. So that means that this will be the x direction is 80, comma 10. So you'll get this will be the center of your next circle. When you're done, you can press enter or escape. Next, let us make the circles here. So you have one circle, the full circle, and the quarter circle there. So click circle command. Okay, again, click circle command. And then choose the end point of this line. Okay, make sure the green light showing the object snap is active, is turned on. Okay, click there, and then again read the command line window. What's written there? It says specify radius of circle, and see what's the radius of this circle. Let's start again from the smaller circle. So the smaller circle, yeah, this one, that one. The radius is 40. Sorry, the diameter is 40, so the radius is 20. Of course, if you want, you can change the input method. Instead of radius, you can change the diameter by clicking this. Okay. So you want the diameter to be 40. Type 40 and enter. Now you have already the smaller circle, and let's make the larger circle, which has a radius of 30. Again, go to the circle tool, click, again go to the center. You can either make the endpoint of this line, or either choose the endpoint of this line or the center of this circle. Okay, it's up to you, because both of them are coincident to each other. So what's the radius? It was, if you look at it again, it was there, 30. So just type 30. So the radius is required, so type 30 there. Yeah, this is the helping line. You can delete this when you're done. Okay. The next thing is we are going to make the circles on the top of the object. So there again, there are two circles there. The smaller circle with a diameter of 20, meaning the diameter is 10. Oh, sorry, the radius is 10, and the bigger circle has radius of 20. And the location, if you look at it, it's clear. It is 70 units vertically. How about the horizontal distance? From this center to that center horizontally, it will be, if you look at it, it will be 10, because the radius from here to here is 30, and from here to here is 20. So 30 minus 20 is 10. Okay. So again, I will just use helping line, create a line, catch the center of this circle as the first point of the line, and then the next point. Again, you will use at command, and horizontally to the right 10, comma vertically upward 70. There. So this is the center of your circle. Okay. If you want to make sure if whether this is correct or not, you just double click and sorry, maybe not double click, right click, properties. Okay. Now you can see in the, so this is the properties of the line. You can go to the very bottom of this window. You can see the delta x is 10, the delta y is 70, which means we have a correct line. Okay, again, click circle, choose this as the center point. The end point of this line will be the center point of your circle, and let's see what is the radius, because in this case radius is required. So the radius again for the smaller circle, the radius will be 10. If you see the diameter is 20, so the radius is 10. So I will just type radius 10, enter. By the way, if you're going to do the same command or the same tool, actually you don't need to click that tool again and again. You can just press enter directly. So okay, you can just press enter directly. If you see in the command line window, or yeah, you see there it's written circle command. Okay, so enter directly means you are repeating the previous tool. So again, choose this as the center point of the circle, and the diameter or the radius, sorry, if you see that the radius is 20, so just input 20 there. Okay. Now you can delete the helping line because you don't need that. So basically we have finished drawing all of the circles here. Of course, we will need to trim some of them later on after we finalize with making the edges. Okay, this vertical line, this horizontal line, and it remains another circle that I will show how to make it later. Okay, let's first make the vertical line. You can use line command, and make sure that you turn on the tangent object snap, which is this. Tangent means it touches something touches something exactly at one point. Okay, so you can see it there in the symbol, a line touching at one point a circle. Okay, let's turn that on. Okay, and click line. So you go from the quadrant. Again, this is one of the object snap uh, item. You can find it there in this menu. And this is a pop-up menu here. Here, quadrant. Okay. And just go there to there. Yeah, since this is you can say collinear, these 2 points are collinear. The quadrant is collinear, so you don't need to use tangent in this case. You can just pick between quadrant to quadrant. Okay. Of course, for example, if I delete this and if I turn on or sorry turn off the quadrant the quadrant object snap, you will rely on this, the tangent. So I click this command or this tool, line tool, and yeah, if this bothers you, sometimes another object snap that we don't want appears. You can turn that off. Okay. So there, this is the tangent. You can just click anywhere here, and then again anywhere there. Okay, if you put it like that, it will automatically make it tangent. Now it's not tangent, but because the tangent object snap is turned on, so it will automatically make your line tangent to this circle. There. When you're done, press escape. Same thing. Again, you can use quadrant. You can turn on the quadrant object snap, or you can use the tangent object snap in our case. Okay. So now it remains to make the large circle there, a large circle here, which has a radius of 80. If you see, this circle is tangent to the other two circles, which is this circle. You see there? If you imagine it, here, so this is a circle. So this circle tangent to that circle, and this circle also tangent to this big circle, tangent also to this circle on the bottom. Okay. So to have a circle tangent to other two circles or to tangent to other two objects, you can use something called TTR, an option inside the circle tool. TTR means tangent radius. Okay, let me click the circle command. Now you see there is this option, the TTR. Okay, instead of specifying the center point, you will just click this one, TTR. So it will ask you the two objects you want to be tangent to, and the radius of the circle that you are going to make. So let us just click this. It's automatically find or automatically turn on the tangent object snap. So this menu or this option will automatically do this. Even though if I turn off this, this tangent object snap, I turn that off because we are using TTR. Okay. It will show specify point on the object for first tangent. So you just click somewhere there. Just a moment, let me see. Oh, sorry. So I think yeah, we need to turn that on. To turn on the tangent. Okay. Because yeah, it did not respond before. So let's see. Specify point on object for first tangent of circle. So I want to make my circle tangent to this circle. Now it responds what we have chosen. See, it's now asking for the second tangent of circle. So this is the second tangent is here. And finally, it will ask you what the radius is. So the tangent of the first object, the tangent of the second object, and the radius. So in this case, the radius is 80, just type 80. There. Okay. So basically your drawing is complete. You just need to trim. Okay. When you just press escape, make sure that you have exited all tool. You have exit from all tools and trim. Okay. You click trim. In the newer version or the latest version, which is version 2021, you can just directly click what you want to delete. Okay. To delete this, delete that, and that. Also, you don't need this, right? You don't need this either. You don't need that. So press enter or escape when you're done. Okay. And you can move this to the center or approximately center. You just use move command here. Select objects. I will select objects using box selection. Just click release at one point. Okay, that will be one of the corner of the box, and then cover the whole thing because you are clicking from left to right, so you need to cover the whole thing, and then click again at the other corner. Okay, if you see here in the command line window, it's written the AutoCAD has found 9 objects chosen or selected. So it's still asking you select objects. That means it is AutoCAD asking you, do you want to add another objects? If you are not going to add anything, you are done with the selection, press enter. And finally, it will ask you or next it will ask you specify the base point. It's like where you want to hold the object to move around. I want to hold, you can hold it here. You can imagine like you are going to hold this object where with your finger. Okay. I can hold it here, I can hold it at the center, it's up to you. Anywhere, even you can hold it here. For example, I just hold it here and it will move. It will be able to move, and you can put somewhere on the center like that. There.